Hey, it's Lee Reams with CountingWorks Pro, and I have a new feature to share with our 3.0 users in our Client Hub. This is our CRM. You now have the ability when you upload client documents. So I'm going to go ahead and let's just say upload this financial statement, upload it. We have the ability now to let's AI summarize it. So now it's in a text format if you wanted to cut and paste or do anything with it. We are going to make this so it's a preference that it can automate that and make it even much easier to start organizing different file types based on what they are. So over here on the right, you'll see a new tool, Summarize with AI. It will go ahead. This is a 4 MB file, so it might take a little bit, but it will go ahead and analyze the document and then come up with a nice summary. This particular one is the financial statement for Apple Inc. And then it's just going to, again, take all of the data from here, extract it in a nice, easy to use format for you. So we're hoping this tool makes it a lot easier for you to at least see. A lot of times clients upload photos and pictures and things that you don't necessarily know what those documents are. But now we have the ability to let AI do its thing and take all that data, extract it, and make it available for other uses. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this.